After its success with the S98 smartphone, Doogee is now ready to launch the next version, the Doogee S98 Pro. This phone is going to be different from all its predecessors, as it comes with an alien-inspired design and a specially crafted case that will give your smartphone a celestial look. The highlight feature of the Doogee S98 Pro rugged smartphone is its specially designed rear camera island, which is inspired by an alien's head. To complement this theme, the brand has also come up with an exotic alien-inspired protective case. As for the camera setup, you have a Sony IMX582 48-megapixel primary sensor, a 20-megapixel night vision camera, and a thermal imaging camera, all positioned perfectly into the rear bump. For yourself you will have a 16-megapixel Sony IMX582 sensor nestled into the water drop notch in the front. The smartphone will feature a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection and will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G96 chipset. As for the memory variants, you have a single 8GB RAM and 256GB storage option, expandable up to 512GB using a microSD card. The Doogee S98 Pro is a rugged smartphone and hence comes with IP68 or 69K and mil-STD 810G certifications, making it dustproof, waterproof, and perfect for the harsh outdoors. Other interesting features include a side-mounted fingerprint reader, customizable key, a virtual toolkit, and Android 12 out of the box. The smartphone will be fueled by a massive 6000 mAh battery and will support 33W fast charging and 15W wireless charging. As for the color options and price, Doogee is still keeping all the details under wraps, so we will have to wait until late May when the Doogee S98 Pro is scheduled to launch to know more about its price and buying options. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.